everyone. In this demonstration video, I'm going to go over how to make a psychrometric chart. The first thing that you're going to want is a file path to a weather file, an Energy Plus weather file on your computer, which I have right here. The next thing that you want is to go to Ladybug, visualize data, and then psychrometric chart, this Ladybug psychrometric chart. And I'm going to plop it right here. You'll see when you zoom into it, it requires temperature and relative humidity. Those are the only inputs with an underscore in the front. So those are the only two required inputs for this component to run to display the psychrometric chart in Grasshopper or in Rhino. So the place that we can get the hourly temperatures and hourly relative humidities is from this component, Ladybug import EPW, which takes the Energy Plus weather file and separates it into all of the components of the weather file, all of the hourly information that makes up the weather file. So we can actually just grab information from this component, or we could get a new one by going to import Ladybug, import EPW. Actually, let's just start fresh. And then grab the Energy Plus weather file from here. And this wants temperature, and it wants the dry bulb temperature. So that's this output here. So match those two, and then it wants the relative humidity. And you'll see that it turned gray because it has all the information it needs to run. And we can go into Rhino and we can visualize it. And right now, I have some other information showing in Rhino. So I'm going to turn all my layers off. Oh, I'm also displaying some information from Grasshopper. I'm going to turn the preview for this off. Actually, I'm going to turn Control A, turn the preview of everything off, and then we can turn on our psychrometric chart. And there we go. And you'll notice that it's right now in dry bulb temperature in Celsius. If you want to convert it to Fahrenheit, all you have to do is use the Ladybug. If you go to extra, you go to the component Ladybug to IP. This will convert, if you hover over it, it converts a data collection to IP values. So these are data collections that are coming out of this import EPW. So we can pass the dry bulb temperature into there. It'll convert it to imperial. So it'll go from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then we can replace the input into the psychrometric chart. And you'll see that it turned the x-axis into Fahrenheit. And if we want to display our comfort zone, we can go to Ladybug, visualize data, and go to PMV polygon. And all it needs to run is the psychrometric chart. So we could just pass the psychrometric chart and we can see that this is our general comfort zone. Okay, that's it for this video. And you should be able to now generate a psychrometric chart with any weather file that you pass to this Energy Plus weather file.